Hey y'all, hey, welcome back to my channel where I talk about my life as a beauty queen, wife, and mama. In today's video, I'm going to be making the gift boxes for the women of the month on my blog. On queentaylorlauren.com, I highlight 3 women every month: a queen, a woman in her single season, a wife, and a mama. And I always send gift boxes out just to show them my appreciation for them and how excited I am to share their stories and just bring more graciousness to womanhood. So a lot of these items that I'm putting in the boxes are super affordable. I pretty much get everything from the Dollar Tree. Y'all know as a stay-at-home mama and wife, I am on a budget, but I want to give these women just a little something to say thank you and hopefully make their day brighter. So all of the items here are from Dollar Tree if y'all are interested. What I'm doing now is making the mugs. Dollar Tree has really good quality glassware, and I am making mugs and using my Cricut and vinyl and transfer tape to put Queen Wife Mama on these mugs, which is pretty much my logo for my brand. It's not the full logo. I need to get a finer kind of like Cricut needle so I can add the tulip, so that I can add the flower that's in my logo. But these are a hit so far and everyone has really enjoyed them, so it might be something that I add to the digital shop in the future. It might be kind of like my first tangible product in the shop online. So yeah, I'm just doing that here. I've already had everything cut out in the vinyl on my Cricut, and I'm just using the transfer tape to add it to the mug, and it's super cute and all the ladies have really enjoyed them. I do send these gift boxes off via the US Post Office, and I'm just using wrapping paper or tissue paper that I've had over the years from various other like gift and craft projects. And for this month, the box that I'm currently working on is for the month of October. I'm kind of getting a head start. And these are just the items that I've put in there: the mug, some bath beads, some body lotion, a candle, and I'm going to put a card on top that I'm going to write once I have the paperwork from all of the women solidified. And I also put a lip mask in there. I forgot about that. And I'm just putting some fragile labels that I've gotten from Shein actually on the boxes. So yeah, that's pretty much it, y'all, and what I do. I have 2 more boxes to do, so just keep on watching. Thank y'all for tuning in. Make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see y'all in the next video.